So she's pretty much telling us to change the starter? No engine shampoo? Why? Doesn't care or what?
She doesn't care.
Oh. I think this one can go up a little bit, but it's okay. You're short, so it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. So, hello, welcome back to our channel. Lately, we have not have any exciting job that we can show you guys, but today I thought I'm gonna run through a little bit of what we do in the shop and a couple of projects we have working on right now. So if you want to follow me, I'll show you what we got going on. So this one vehicle came in for a leaf spring mount, actually corroded and broken. The first thing we did was we look at it, and actually there's an updated kit that we can drill and bolt onto the vehicle so that we don't have to replace the whole frame. As you can see, this is what we have to do. But to get to that mount, we actually have to drop the fuel tank and replace the mount. But if you can see like this, the whole entire back bed have to be off. Pretty crazy for a little thing like this, right? Customer just doesn't understand what we have to go through to complete a job like such job like this. So for this one vehicle, we are actually doing the starter on it. Fun. This is a Honda Civic. Okay. So not much exciting stuff that we can show you, but this is what we have to do day to day. You know, we have a little Jimmy here where we have to do a lot of work for it to be able to pass out of province. Out of province is an inspection that we usually do in Alberta for pretty much any car that is not from Alberta, and I think within more than 3 years old and a certain mileage. But this one is very hard to actually pass out of province. So for some weird reason, our clients want this vehicle to be able to be registered in Alberta. So we have to make everything that needs to be work. We have a lot of little projects and big projects to do out here, which kind of been sitting on the back burner, which shouldn't. Example, this is a Honda Pilot that will need a transmission, which I think we're gonna do a video on it down the road here. This Lincoln MKT, we have done the turbo on it because it was blown oil through the turbo. But right now we have to clean out the exhaust because of all the turbo buildup, all the turbo oil buildup in the exhaust system. Except for that, a few little bits and pieces here and there. Over there is some of our employees working on a Nissan Rogue. Client filled the vehicle up with diesel. So these gentlemen right here is trying to disconnect the fuel and fuel pump fuse so that we can actually get the vehicle inside the shop without running the diesel through the fuel system. How you guys doing?
Not too bad. It's a beautiful day out.
Good to be working outside, right? We never want to work outside, but
wow.
When it come to it, we still have to do what we have to do, I guess. First have to get the vehicle into the shop before we can actually work on it. So besides that, it's a nice day, right? Here's a little bit of how our shop look. A little bit messy right now, but we are in the process of fixing some stuff up, cleaning things up, making it look pretty for you guys, you know, and making it look pretty for us, you know. Snow still on the ground, but it is what it is. So pretty much that's what we do here. We try to find good content to show you guys the nitty-gritty of the trade. But lately it's pretty much standard as you see, not much to show you. But if you like our content, if you have any suggestions what we should do in the next video, let us know. We'll try our very best to see if we can meet your requests. And if you like, please watch, share, like, and subscribe. And we'll have our contest coming soon. Thank you.